The dawn is breaking, and I can hear a whisper on the breeze. The world is waking, and I am here to meet you on my knees. When I'm with you, my soul finds rest, 'cause I can't leave it in your hand. The day keeps coming and pulling me a million different ways. I'm always running, but never seem to catch the things I chase. When I'm with you, my soul finds rest, 'cause I can't leave it in your hand. Every sorrow, I leave it in your hands. Every sickness, I leave it in your hands. All my failures, I leave it in your hands. Amen. I can leave it in your hands. So I am laying the weight of all these burdens at your feet. No more waiting, 'cause you've already won my victories. In Jesus my soul finds rest, 'cause I can't leave it in your hand. Every promise, I can leave it in your hand. Every healing, I leave it in your hand. And my future, I leave it in your hands. Amen. Leave it in your hand. Oh, Lord, 'cause it's your hand that formed the mountains. Oh, your hands set boundaries for the sea. And in your hand you hold tomorrow, the same hand took the names from me. Every